Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Let me just walk you through this trade breakdown on CADJPY. So, as usual, I started my analysis from daily time frame. Like I always said, uh, if you are starting your analysis from the daily time frame, you just follow the time frame alignment, daily reject daily, H4 breakouts, and then 1 hour structure or entry. So I think on Tuesday, yeah, it was on Tuesday, I saw this rejection from this OCL on daily time frame. Now, it was a nice rejection. So I saw price coming from this OCL. Price was rejecting from there. Can you see? Yeah. So price was rejecting from this OCL. Since we are picking our rejection from the daily time frame, what are you going to do next? You go down to what? To the 4 hours time frame to look for your breakout. Price is rejecting from daily time frame. You go to 4 hours time frame to look for your breakout. Now, if we have our breakout on 4 hours time frame, then we'll look for what? For our apex entry, probably on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that's just the time frame alignment, as I explained in my previous video. Can I say price is dumping massively? So the rejection from the daily time frame, yes, the rejection from the daily time frame, and then we have series of support here. Price was just testing is support here, and then it got broken here, and then we have a breakout here on 4 hours time frame. Can you see? There is a breakout on 4 hours time frame here. We have a breakout here. Price broke on 4 hours time frame, and then go down to a 1 hour time frame to look for our entry. Can you see? So on 1 hour time frame, look for your apex. So I mark this as my apex, and then the break on 4 hours time frame. This is the break on 4 hours time frame. We can just refine it here. Use this as the break of structure. You could see that this was the sweep, right? We have a sweep here. We have a sweep of liquidity, right? We have a break of structure here. Can you see? We have the first break here. We have the second break here. Can you see? Second break of structure, and then your liquidity very close to what? To the POI here, and then our entry at the apex, and that's it. That's it. It's very, very same thing over and over again. Same thing over and over again. And then I was targeting this low. You can see the way price is dumping massively. I was targeting this low, and then my stop loss is just a little bit above this high. Just a bit above this high. So so that's how I got the setup on CADJPY. Can you see? Same thing over and over again. Daily reject daily, H4 breakouts, and then we have our what? Our 1 hour entry. So that's the time frame alignment. Assuming I'm picking my rejection from the weekly time frame now. If weekly is rejecting weekly, I will go down to daily time frame to look for my breakout. And then if I see my breakout on daily time frame, then I will go to 4 hours time frame for my what? Structure and entry. But since I'm taking my rejection from the daily time frame, I'm starting from the daily time frame. So I saw this rejection on the daily time from that OCL. So daily time frame rejecting daily. So daily key level rejecting daily key level here. From this place, I see the rejection from here. I went down to 4 hours time frame to look for my breakout. And then this is where I got my breakout. There was a breakout there. Can you see? We have a breakout here. You can mark anywhere a breakout. Price actually broke here. If I show you the line chart, you will be able to see it clearly. Let me show you the line chart. So we have a breakout there on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame. Coming. I'm gonna show you the line chart. Okay, sorry. So that you're able to see it clearly. Yeah. Can you see? This we have a breakout there. Can you see? So we have a breakout here. These are series of support, but price broke out, and then we have a breakout on the 4 hours time frame. So after the breakout on the 4 hours time frame, and then I went down to my 1 hour time frame to look for what? My entry at the apex. Can you see? So that's why we have a sweep. That's the SMC. You have a sweep, you have a break, first break of structure, second break of structure, and your liquidity. And I think I've explained this entry models over and over again. We have the first entry model, we have second entry model. If you watch my previous video, you'll be able to see all I've explained of. So that's how I got this setup on CADJPY. So if you want to know more about the strategy, if you want to learn more about it, you can give me a DM on my WhatsApp number that will be displayed on this video, or you can just DM me on my Telegram channel, my Telegram link is on this WhatsApp on this YouTube channel. So you can see the link there. And you can just give me a DM to learn more about this strategy. And do it to like the video and share and share. So just take your time and back test and see the way it works over and over again. Thank you very much.